Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem on buying handphone. First of all, the price of this handphone is $750, but with a catch. It is under an installment plan. And how many installments there are? 5 equal monthly installment. So for those who don't know what is called monthly installment, it is you have to pay an equal amount of money every month for 5 months in this question. Okay, and this one incurs 10% per annum interest. Okay, for those who don't know what does per annum means, this one means per year. Okay. Do take note, also per year means 12 months. But we only need to pay for 5 months. That means this interest that we are going to find, alright, the interest that he need to pay as well will be equals to 10%, which is 10 over 100 of the price, but this is for the full 12 months. Yeah, so if we are only going to pay for 5 months, it will be 5 divided by 12, 5 out of 12, 5 months out of 12 months, which is for a year. Alright, and this will give me a value of $31.25. This is the extra money that he has to pay. For those who do not understand what's the meaning of down payment, this is something to be on a quick note at the side here. I'm going to just write it down. For a quick note, well, a down payment, another word for it is also called deposit, is usually an amount of money people pay at the start before the monthly installment comes in. But since he do not need to pay, so we don't really need to consider down payment for this question. And so, how much is each monthly installment? Well, the monthly installment will be equals to the total amount that he has to pay, 750 plus $31.25, the whole thing divided by 5 months. And this will give me a value of $156.25. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.